How to share a YouTube video on your Instagram story. First, you got to find a video. This is one of the videos on my channel. We want to then tap on the share button and then tap copy link. Then we want to take a screenshot. I can't show this on the screen itself because you have to press the buttons on the phone. At least on the iPhone, it's volume up and the on-off button, and that creates a screenshot. You can see it in the bottom left there. That's going to be saved to the photos on our phone. We can use that on Instagram. So let's go to Instagram. On the Instagram homepage, tap on your profile in the top left. I give Instagram only limited access to my photos, so I'm going to have to click on the Manage button, and then I'm going to have to tap on Select More Photos. And then I can choose the screenshot we just took, and then tap on Done. That brings our screenshot in. We can then tap on that, press OK to get rid of that. Now we can customize this a little bit. This looks more like a post for Dan Quinn than it does for me, so we're going to cover up the bottom. I'm going to do that by tapping the down arrow for more tools. Tap on Draw, make my circle size really big, make it black. In my case, I want that to be a bit bigger than that. And then we're going to erase Dan Quinn down here. Not that I have anything against Dan Quinn, but this is not a post for his Instagram. It's a post for my Instagram. That's good enough. You get the idea. You can be OCD and get rid of every single line there. Tap on Done. Click on the text icon. We're going to type in here, check out this video, tap on Done. You can move that around. Let's move it right there. Then I'm going to tap on the sticker. I'm going to tap on the link sticker, and this is where we paste the URL to our YouTube video, which we copied earlier. So let's paste that in there, tap Done, and we can move that around. We can change the sticker's appearance by tapping on it. Then we tap on this arrow on the bottom right, and then we tap on Share, and now it's going to be a story on your Instagram account. Like and subscribe.